In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create login page in Google Sites. Before we begin, it is important to understand what Google Sites calls a login page. In most cases, you are not creating a separate custom login screen. Instead, you are restricting access to your published site so only approved people can open it. When someone who is allowed visits the site, Google will prompt them to sign in with their Google account. This gives you a simple and secure way to control access without building anything from scratch. Start by opening the Google site you want to protect. When you are ready, go to the top right area of the editor and click the Share button, which looks like a person icon. This is where you manage who can view or collaborate on the site. In the Sharing panel, look for the section related to links. Find the option labeled Published Site. Then click Change. This is the key setting that controls who can access the version of your site that is live on the web. Next, select Restricted. Choosing Restricted means your site will no longer be publicly accessible. Only the specific people you authorize will be able to open the published site. This is the setting that effectively creates the login requirement, because viewers will need to sign in to a Google account that has permission. After setting it to Restricted, add people who should have access. You can do this by entering the email addresses of the individuals you want to allow, or by adding a Google group if you manage access for a team. Using a group is a helpful option for schools, clubs, or businesses, because you can update membership in one place without changing your site settings each time. Once you have added the right people or group, click Done to save your access list. Take a moment to confirm you did not miss anyone who needs access, because restricted sites will block everyone else immediately after publishing. Finally, click Publish. Publishing applies these restrictions to your live site. From this point on, anyone visiting the site will be required to sign in, and only approved accounts will be able to view the content. And that is all there is to it.